Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about Ethereum network token on Trust Wallet. It's very free airdrop. You can claim it on Trust Wallet. I will show you how you can claim that token on Trust Wallet. Before that, make sure you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive every updates when I upload new video. So let's get started. First, I have given the link in the description box below. Please click on that link and you will be redirected to this site and this post, this site here, and Ethereum token airdrop in Trust Wallet. So you can see here is the process, step-by-step process is here. If you got confused, you can check here, and I will show all this step in the video. You don't need to be worried about it. You look video, and also and you can see it on website also. So which one is this? This is CSAD token. It's under the Ethereum network. So let's claim it. You need to copy this and open your Trust Wallet. Now top right corner here, click here, again click to the plus button, click here, and network should be the Ethereum. It's okay, and paste that contract address and you will get Candy's airdrop CS80 on your Trust Wallet. How much you have got? You have got 1000 CS80. If it launches on any exchange, or if get the value of $1 also, you will have $1000 in your account. So please follow that website. If you are confused, just follow this step-by-step process. I'll be coming with very exciting airdrops and free mining on next video. So before leaving, you need to read that, and always you need to do your own research before you invest in some project or you claim free airdrop also. Anyone create this kind of token, so there is no any surety that it will be launched or it will be able to be swapped. Just claim this free Ethereum network based token and keep mining those free crypto on your phone. That's it. So this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.